Hello, welcome to Harriet's Paperie, and this is Kathy, and I'm going to show you this new journal that I just finished. I've wrapped it with this muslin, and instead of using a ribbon, I just made some torn ribbon. So we have this bird on the front, and it's got birds kind of throughout this. You'll see here in this pocket on the background there's some birds there. We've got this journaling card with birds on it. And here's some textured paper from a book. There's some extra tea paper to just journal on with stuck in the belly band here. There's some more birds. Pretty cute. I love little birds. And we have a pocket here with another journaling card and a bird theme tag. It's got pretty green on the back. Let's see what this one has. Just kind of a tea stain print. You can see there's a lot of journaling room in this little journal. It's not a real big journal, but you don't always want a big journal. More birds and flowers. There's a little fussy cut. This journal just has one signature. And here I've got a journaling card and then a flip out and more paper to journal on or create with. Whoops, forgot the envelope. And here's an envelope that I glued in here, and this is some paper for journaling and a journal card. And then I created a little hidden spot up here with this journaling card. And then here we have a little side fold or folder, little pocket. Pocket is what I'm looking for there. And tea paper. And we have another little pocket back here with some vintage lace trim. And a journaling card and more tea paper. And of course, as you see, more little birds here. And then this is the back side, and I just collaged the cover, and I really like the way that all turned out. I did a couple of these at the time when I started these back before Christmas, and that was kind of a fun little project that I was able to use up some of my scrap papers on, and really enjoyed doing that. Now this journal will be up in my Etsy shop today, so if you see this video when it comes out, this journal will be available in the Etsy shop. And you guys all have a nice day, and keep warm. If your weather is anything like Idaho's is right now, it's really cold here. So keep warm and have a blessed day. Bye.